Guys 13, and today's video is going to be a super fun video. So without further ado, subscribe down below by hitting that red subscribe button. Please make that red subscribe button gray. Give this video a huge thumbs up so that way I could continue making more recreating makeup looks, attempting makeup looks. Like I attempted to do a winged eyeliner with a bobby pin. So yeah, I've been loving these attempting makeup looks videos. Also hit the post notification bell button right next to the subscribe button so that way you're notified every single time I upload. So like a little text message saying ding 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 ding, Pink Guys 13 just posted. Check the description box down below. I'm always writing updates. I have a whole bunch of discount codes, discount links to awesome websites I think you will love. And yeah, so let's get on with the video. I wanted to use the Huda Beauty palette, specifically the Mercury Retrograde, because it has lots of fun colors. I wanted to do a colorful look today so that way the gloss could like really make the eye pop, because we're gonna be needing like a clear lip gloss. I don't have like a specifically like clear lip gloss, but I do have the Victoria's Secret Sunkissed flavored lip gloss, and it's supposed to be like a golden tone, but in all honesty it is not golden. It is clear. So I'm just gonna be grabbing this fluffy brush, the crease brush by e.l.f. Cosmetics. For my crease, I'm gonna be using Hot Mess, which is like this like wineish color, burgundy color.
I like doing my makeup with my eyes open, guys, because I saw a video that said, you know, when you do your makeup with your eyes closed, you don't really know where exactly how the makeup is going to show. Like, your eyes are closed and you know how your skin lifts up. So a lot of the times, people, when they do their makeup, they don't really know how their makeup will truly look until they open their eyes. So I started to do that where I only do my makeup with my eyes open, so that way I know specifically where exactly it is I'm putting my eyeshadow. So when, like, because if you do your eyeshadow with your eyes open, your eyes are always going to be open when you're out and about in public. So, you know what I mean? Well, if you do your makeup like this, but then when you open it like this, it looks completely different. So, yeah, if you know what I meant, then, yeah. I really suggest you do your makeup with your eyes open.
Okay, so we're going to be grabbing the shade Libra. Looks super cute. Okay, so, like, obviously for, like, the lid eyeshadow, I'm going to have to close my eyes because, like, I need to put it on my lid. And there's no other way that I would be able to put it on my lid if I don't close my eyes. So I'm going to be doing a little bit of under eyeshadow. I'm gonna be using the shade Vortex. I only like doing like outer corner eyeliner. I don't like going in too deep. Here comes the fun part, guys. Oh my gosh, guys, I'm so excited for this part. I don't know what to expect, guys.
Worst case scenario would be that I have an allergic reaction, or like my eyes, something happens to my eyes, because you know it's lip gloss. It's a makeup product that's meant for your lips, not your eyes. Like, yes, the lip skin is sensitive, so I want to assume they make lip products to be sensitive.
The first one I'm gonna do is I'm gonna wipe off the eyeshadow. I suggest you guys using this, and I'm just gonna be putting it on my brush, and then wash your brush afterwards, guys, because this is gonna be sticky. I wonder if it's gonna like be sticky on my eyes. So I grabbed about this much of lip gloss, and let's see what happens, guys. Okay, it feels cold on my skin. I hope it's not runny. This is runny. Oh boy, we are in big trouble. Okay. Oh, okay. So it's not runny. Yo. I want to bring up the gloss to like the crease. You know, like make all my eyeshadow. Yo, this is so much fun. Guys, look at how beautiful. Look, and then look. Oh my gosh, guys, this is so cute. And yeah, guys, oh my gosh, I'm so excited and I'm so happy that I found this, and I'm so happy that you guys came through this video and you guys learned that this trick actually works and it's not running anywhere and it doesn't feel sticky on my eyes. Like, look, I could like move it like this and like nothing, I don't feel uncomfortable. It's not dripping all over my eyes. And oh, another thing, this lip gloss is scented, so I really recommend you guys, if you guys have sensitive skin and like if you like your lips get easily like allergic reactions or like your face gets allergic reactions, I really recommend this Victoria's Secret Sunkissed, the flavored lip glosses for your, like if you have sensitive skin. Like, look, I have pretty sensitive skin, I'm not gonna lie. I feel like there's a lot of products out there that once I put them on, they like make me break out and all that, and then look, this isn't irritating my skin or anything like that. And yeah, guys, I think we made it to the end of this look, and so I'll see you very, very soon, my mermaid unicorn, if God permits. God bless you. Bye.